Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about piecewise function. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the limit and x approach to number 3 on the left and on the right. On the left, we know that this is smaller than number 3. That is about this one. So we can put number 3 cone here. And we have number 2. As approach to number 3 on the right. On the right, this is greater than number 3 in here. So we can put number 3 cone here. And we have number 2. So we can see that the limit on the left, on the right, they are equals. So we can say that the limit of x approach to number 3 equals to number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.